You are looking at a box. What's in this box? Well, it says on the side of the box, a pizza oven made in China. Yeah, that thing weighs about 55, 60 pounds. Ordered on Amazon, and that's how it's supposed to look. Let's open up this box and see what's inside. Folks, you are looking at the UMax outdoor pizza oven, which I purchased off of Amazon. This thing stands about 5 feet something tall. It's not too big and it's not too small. Wow. Down below you see is what they call it. That's the wood rack. Probably not much of a storage space for wood, but it's cool. I got some wood right there. Now above that we have an ash pan. Above that you got the firebox. Thinking about taking that grate from the VEVOR Go Anywhere grill, the original grate, putting it in there. Just, I don't know. I'm thinking the charcoals too. You know, I'm not thinking just putting wood in this thing. I'm trying to expand the horizons of this thing. Here is the pizza oven. Here's the pizza stone. Nice and clean. It's 12 inches by 12 inches, so they recommend nothing bigger than 11-inch round or whatever pizza. You have a thermometer here, goes up to 1,000 degrees. They say this thing gets up to 700 degrees. So just like a car, just because your speedometer says 160 doesn't mean your car goes 160. I tell a lot of people say that. Oh, my car goes 180. Why do you say that? And they go, because it says on the speedometer. I go, that doesn't mean crap. Anyhow, another story. The stack here, instruction says, never leave this thing fully open. And I guess you can, because it locks partially closed. So I guess all they're saying is never, don't remove it. Always keep it on there, because this chimney will burn up. Very, very intriguing. This thing cost about $240. Straight off the boat from China. Not too bad to put together. Took about 45 minutes. I like it. I think it's really cool. Haven't used it yet, as you guys all know already, since you've seen it in the box. It wasn't too bad to put together. Not bad at all. It had illustrations basically on how to put it together. No wording, just illustrations. What else can I say about it? I'll be using it pretty soon, probably tomorrow. I made some dough already, some really beautiful pizza dough. And pizza dough is going to be really good being a day old. Talk about this handle. The handle, it looks like it's on the wrong side. Looking at it, because the wheels are down on the same side. You would think it would be on that side, since there's no wheels over there. But all I did was tilt it back, and you can push it forward or backwards. Pull it backwards. Very excited to try this thing. The steel is not real thick, but it's not real cheap thickness. I mean, thickness isn't crazy thick. This thing will rust the hell out if I leave it out here in this Michigan winter. It does come with the cover, but it's plastic. Well, when you cover stuff with plastic, like a tarp or anything, you might as well just be pouring water on it, because that's what'll happen. I see people putting plastic tarps over firewood, you know, stacks of firewood. You might as well just dump a bunch of water on it, because that's making moisture. But yeah, it's cool to have a little cover. I'll keep it in the garage during the cold months. I will use it in the cold months. I'll put this thing out in the middle of snow, but it will go back in the garage. But I will have some pizza made out in the snow someday here in Michigan, the promised land, the Great Lakes state, God's country. Took about 4 or 5 days to get it after I ordered it. So there was no real visual damage. Only damage that was on it when I got it was that paint's rubbed off there and here a little bit. I may have done that myself. Right there. That's just dirty. Cool. Really cool. Not so bad to put together. You can do anything in this thing. They say you can't use it as a smoker. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys this. It's got the vent system here. They say you can't use it as a smoker, but I'm sure I can figure out a way. But more cool than thinking about using a smoker is I can bake some bread in that thing. And the question is, can I maintain the temperature that I desire? That firebox isn't real big, so little pieces of firewood like this is what I'm gonna have to use. This is all maple right here. I do have some cherry from the cherry tree in front. I do have another nice pile of wood over there. This all fell from the trees during the last storm we had. The UMax outdoor pizza oven. Really excited to try it. Please subscribe. Help me on help me get on Highway 1000, the interstate. And I'm also on Facebook, Paulie Detmerds, of course. And that's all I have for now. Till next time, I'm Paulie. I'm out.